All right, friends, welcome back to another Brand Impact 365. My name is LaMorvielle. Today, I just want to talk to you. I just want to vent just a little bit because I am to the point of no return. All right. I decided when I first started Brand Impact 365 that I was going to document my journey from, doing what I was already doing about, under $100,000 a year type business and trying to see if I could reach six, maybe seven figures in 1 year by studying impactful brands and, you know, trying to duplicate what they're doing. Not so much duplicate, but tap into what they're doing and make it work for my business. And I have been through a journey, my friends. I am to the point where they call this part like the calm of the storm. Right before everything starts raining down, all the blessings, all the fruits of your labor start to show. Okay. There's this calm. There's this part where it's like you're waiting and you're waiting and you're waiting and you're waiting some more. Just when you feel like you can't wait anymore, you gotta wait some more. It's a moment of how long can you hold out, okay, before you see all the blessings coming, all the fruits of your labor, right? All the hard work pay off. And there's a lot of entrepreneurs who reach this point and then they tap out, right? I am trying my best right now not to tap out. It's very hard. Okay. I'm not going to sugarcoat it with you. I'm here documenting it with you. And I'm telling you, okay, it's not easy. This is a very, you have to have a mindset, right? You have to keep thinking. This is what I'm doing. I have to keep thinking over and over. If I was to stop today and go work for somebody else or go do something else, I'm going to lose all this momentum that I've built up. And I know it's building up, right? It's like when you draw the rubber band back and you stretch it, right? The more you stretch it, it starts to almost feel like it's going to snap, but you can still stretch it back a little bit more, right? I'm to the point where I'm stretching, stretching, stretching. And just when I feel like, I got to let it go, it's like, no, keep stretching, keep stretching. You got to wait. You got to hold out. Okay. The best way I can think of this, and I'm a music fan. I love music. I'm a big fan of Michael Jackson and his entertainment style, right? Just artistry. That's how I felt about it. And so he had this saying, right? When he would go on stage, right before he goes on stage, he would just let the crowd wait, right? And everybody's going crazy. Michael Jackson. They're screaming. Some of them are crying. Some of them are fainting. He's not doing a thing. He is just standing there on stage, quiet, looking, right? And he would say, just let it simmer. Let it simmer. How long can you let it simmer? Because the longer that you let it simmer, as soon as you belt out that first note, the crowd goes crazy. You got to build up that anticipation, build up that momentum, right? Build up that feeling of, oh my goodness, right? That anticipation. And that's where I am at right now as an entrepreneur. I've hit that mark. I think I talked about it in a couple earlier videos where it's like you work on your foundation pieces, right? Your mission, why you're doing this. You figure out who your avatar is, your ideal customer, your ideal client. You figure out what you're offering, right? What your offers are, your funnels, all that stuff. And then you start promoting and you get the word out. But as you're getting the word out, when you hit that point of getting the word out, you're spending a lot more than what you're getting in. Okay. And I am not just talking about spending on advertising. Okay. I'm not spending any money right now on advertising. I am trying to do organic first, meaning focusing on my social media posts, my stories, my videos, my shorts, all the little pieces, right? First, and then I'm going to tap into advertising. But I am spending a lot of time, a lot of energy, right? And because of that, as far as I'm not getting the rewards back yet, as far as the payments, right? I'm not seeing the six figures just yet, right? If you want to really be honest, I'm going to tell you exactly what's going on. Really, bills are stacking up. For the last like 2 months, I've made less with my jewelry business than I have in the last couple years. Why? Well, I rebranded the whole More Fashions jewelry business. Not only that, I haven't been doing my reselling business as much because I'm shifting, right? I've been doing all this work to shift into a impactful brand. And so I have to fight the urge not to go backwards and start doing the things that I know I can do real quick and build up that money. Because if I do that, I'll confuse my customers that I'm trying to attract right now, right? So I have to stay in it. I have to stay grounded. I have to stay focused on my decision to be an impactful brand. And while I sit here and wait, right, for that anticipation to build up, I just have to take all of that in and accept it, right? I have to accept it. I have to understand what point I'm at. And I feel like if I didn't understand that, if I wasn't studying these impactful brands and understanding or learning what they had to go through, I feel like I might have given up already, right? But I've been studying them and they all say the same thing. They all went through this. I am about to be broke. Like bills are piling up, bank accounts are negative, and then all of a sudden it was like, boom, it came through, right? So I'm going to keep documenting with you guys. Hopefully, my calm, right? The calm before the storm. And soon, hopefully, I'll start seeing the rewards come through. But for right now, I am just continuing to do the steps that I need to take that I've been studying. And I'm going to just keep documenting with you guys. Thank you for being along with the journey. If this video found value to you or you enjoyed watching me share my story with you, please make sure to subscribe. I will have more videos like this coming your way here on this channel. Thank you again so much for your support. I will see you in the next one.